What's up everyone, it's Ryan with Team Infamous. We're going to install a little GEO R5 trigger. Got the new Infamous triggers, lots of different colors, type Rs, haptic textures, all kinds of different stuff. So real quick and easy, just one of your Allen keys that comes with the gun. Got a little one screw right there, the whole trigger drops right out. One more screw, we'll take the old one off, slides right out. Put the new one in. Little cradle pin, line it up, screw back in, and then that one last little screw. So 2 total screws, 30 seconds or so. Drop it in, just get it to line up. And that's it, GEO R5 trigger.